Two of our area's most powerful politicians are a focal point of this week's Supreme Court confirmation hearings. Senators Dick Durbin and Josh Hawley are at odds over Ketanji Brown Jackson's record as a judge, particularly in her sentencing of child pornography cases. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. Senator Durbin opened day 2 of the hearings with a blistering critique of Senator Hawley's strategy. 5 on your side, Sarah Mackey has been following the story and has the details. Sarah?
Sure. Just about an hour ago, Missouri Republican Josh Hawley had his time to question Judge Jackson's handling of some child porn cases. He says that she's been giving out sentences below federal guidelines. But Illinois Democrat Dick Durbin fired back, with Jackson agreeing that discretion is a part of her job.
The issue involving child pornography. I want to turn to that issue because it was raised multiple times, primarily by the senator from Missouri.
Day 2 started with Illinois Democrat Dick Durbin, Senate Judiciary Chairman, zeroing in on Senator Josh Hawley of Missouri, asking Jackson what it was like to hear those charges in front of her own family.
As a mother and a judge who has had to deal with these cases, I was thinking that nothing could be further from the truth.
Tuesday afternoon, the two finally had a chance to address each other.
Really bothers me when in every case, child porn case you've had discretion, you've sentenced below the guidelines and below the government's recommendation.
We have judges who are doing their level best to make sure that people are held accountable as they need to be in our society in a fair and just way.
Senator Hawley, I think it's been thought for quite some time that he has presidential aspirations.
5 on your side political analyst Anita Mannion, a poli-sci professor at UMSL, says this might be a case of all press is good press for Hawley, since many fact checkers and even conservative outlets have pushed back against his strategy.
Sometimes things like this, the tweets, the airtime, the national coverage can help to raise one's profile and also can be used for fundraising.
Mannion says the implication of being soft on crime could be an attempt to reach certain voters.
These are signals to the base, but also maybe hoping that they could also resonate with folks like suburban moms who the Republican Party is also trying to capture.
Another group that Hawley could be hoping to attract would be QAnon followers. Mannion says child pornography and child sex trafficking were really big topics in that community. After Hawley's time, Durbin brought up a Missouri judge with experience sentencing below the federal recommendations that Hawley approved, but he said in that case, prosecutors agreed with the shorter prison time.